Welcome back. So today, I'll be taking some 2x4s, 4x4s, and some 3/4 and 1/2 inch plywood and turn it into this right here, guys. Whew. Thing's heavy. Rip the hell out of my pants. And I have a lot to clean up. So, let me show you how it's done. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I mean, the idea is this thing is heavy and hard to move and hard to disassemble. That's the whole point of it, because I'm gonna, be keeping tools and stuff in here, and I don't want this thing to open up for anyone and a couple of my tools to grab legs. So I want it sturdy, I want it hard to move, I want it secure. To be completely honest, the lumber and everything I put and used into this tool, I probably could have, or into this chest, I could have made furniture for the entire shop. You know, it's 3 sheets of plywood, 6 2x4s, and 3 4x4s. So there's a lot of material here, and everything's glued and screwed together. The hinges and the locks are epoxied on. So there's a lot going on here. So I hope you appreciate it. Oh yeah, also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And if you want to support the channel, go over to patreon.com/Knightsmith. Even $1 a month helps. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.